Easy. $100 for whoever do the most, but you gotta record it. The goal is just to see how fit I am and not compare it to the next person. Hey boo! So we are doing a fitness test. I'm here to test this dude, myself, and you guys if you want to, and see how fit you are. First thing that we'll be doing is the 20-meter fitness pacer test, and then after that we're moving to abs. We're gonna do a full sit-up, don't judge. After that we're going to push-ups, and then after that we're going to jump squats. We're just trying to see how fit we are during this, you know, pandemic or whatever. I ain't been working out as much as I used to when I was in high school. This dude definitely hasn't, and we're just trying to see where we are today. And if you want to hop on this challenge or try it out yourself,
let us know.
And if you could do more than he can, we'll send you some money. But it gotta be on your, what'd you say?
Big rewards.
Yeah.
We finna eat, y'all. Finna eat.
From here to the other cone that's down there is 20 meters, hence the 20-meter pacer test. He warming up over there. I'm big dog, I don't gotta do all that. I'm ready for the game. You know, I'm really competitive when it comes to other people. I'm ready to work a show, so hopefully y'all like this video and let's get it cracking.
On your mark, get ready, start. 1. 2. 3, 4, 6, 7, end of level 1. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, end of level 2. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21.
Come on! Yeah.
20. 24.
'Tired. Mind you, I haven't did this since elementary school. You fit.
28.
Go ahead, bucko.
30.
I never made it that far.
31.
What you got? What you got? Complete the whole thing.
36. 37.
You running fast. Come on.
38.
Pick them knees up. Pick them knees up.
41.
Come on, come on, come on.
43.
41?
That's crazy. Honestly, my stamina is not as high as yours. That's what that is. I made it to level 21. He made it to level 41. Obviously he won, but time to do our ab series. We'll see. I mean, obviously he's gonna do better than me, but the goal is just to see how fit I am and not compare it to the next person. If you know what I'm saying. Hey! listening to the music, you like.
But no, my stomach when I came up the last time, I must say, it was no more down and up. Ah.
All right, your favorite now. All right, tell them what we about to do.
So, what we about to do is push-ups. After running and doing sit-ups. I'm tired.
Are you really tired?
Yes.
All I hear is go get the money, so I go get it. Hate me to do something right, so I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. Yeah, I'ma let him. I hit the nail on the head. Yeah, I'ma let him. Early bird go get the worm. Worm in the dirt.
That's it.
I can show you what I'm worth. My hands in the dirt.
Come on.
From where they look when you not. A hand in your purse. Hell if you think I'm last. Let's be first. First. Go ahead and go feed your eyes. You on the land.
You gotta do an update when I get to one. You gotta do an update. That's why I can't wait for them to do it. It's gonna be live.
If they do it,
They gonna do it. Somebody gonna do it.
try this challenge at home. It's not as easy.
$100 for whoever do the most, but you gotta record it. I'm gonna
First-
cash app you on everything.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Okay, so the last portion of this fitness exam is gonna be some jump squats. And we gotta see who could do the most jump squats without stopping. You don't have to jump the highest, but your feet do have to come off the floor. That's fine? That's fine.
Oh, hell no.
7, 8.
Baby, I ain't gonna lie to you. You got that. Oh
That's it. Is it really that bad?
But what? I haven't worked out since.
I haven't worked out. Well, I do work out, but like I don't know. I don't do intense workouts since high school.
Don't, but like shit, your body at least know like finna start up the engine. Mine. I need an oil change. Oh shit.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm tired. We gotta do this more often, off the camera too.
Off the camera?
So when we get back on, we look beast.
What you trying to say? What you trying
I
to
suck. She whipped my ass.
Don't talk about yourself like that. I don't like that.
Ah.
Well, if y'all do better than me in any of these things, drop it down in the comment section down below. And I want to see your results. He said that if y'all do better than him, anybody that could do what, more than 40 of the back and forwards
But they gotta,
on the
they
first
gotta
try.
top each other. They gotta be the top person. I'm not giving everybody 100 to do over 40.
Oh,
So
the top person. So
Yeah.
if you hit over 40 in the pacer test going back and forth, he said he will send you money, Cash App ready. But it gotta be your first try, and you gotta send me proof on my Instagram at Yanaboo, and then I'll tell him and he'll Cash App you some money. But other than that, I hope you guys like this video, and if you want me to do an update on it to see if we get better, let me know. We out. My leg's sore.
I could have finished like 2 more.
Why you so hard on yourself?
Cause I gave up.
Hey, boo. You didn't even do it.
Oh, I was supposed to say hey boo too?
Yes, I want you to say it with me.
My bad. I ain't know.